Opening an HSBC account online in the UK for international students is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first of all, go to the HSBC website and click on the Student Bank Account tab. Then click on the Apply Now button. After that, enter your details and click on the Next button. And you will then be asked to upload your documents. Once you have uploaded your documents, you will need to review and confirm your application. Now, click on the Submit button to complete your application. After submitting your application, you might need to attend an appointment at a local branch or wait for confirmation online. The process may vary depending on your circumstances and the type of account you're opening. Once your application is approved, you should receive your account details, including your account number and sort code. Then, follow any instructions provided to activate your account. This might involve making an initial deposit or following other specific steps.